How to create a flowchart in EdrawMax and export it to PDF. Create new, expand more symbols, then I'll start with basics, general. So I will check what I need here, basic drawing shapes, text, that's all I need. So I'll drag the shapes that I need, drag this here. I will drag down there. This one can be resized to be smaller. Copy and then paste. Again. Okay. Just rotate. And pick the gun, place it there. So we can modify these symbols. I need a symbol like I need this symbol, but I need to modify. I need this symbol, but I need to modify. So we just use it as is. I'll copy this and paste and just move it to that point. Then finally, I need an icon, this icon here. To add arrows, just pick there and drag. It's so easy to do it. Okay. I can just undo what I've made that change here. Okay. Okay, so you can add text. Credit card purchase, just double click any point you want to add text. Credit card purchase, then and just resize the text. Transaction received, received. Customer preferences, uh retrieve customer profile, retrieve customer profile, correct credit card detail, valid credit card, sufficient funds available, so this one you can just move it. Okay, and this one provide alternative credit card. You just double click. Product inventory, fulfill order, send customer confirmation, sales system, and finally order fulfilled. Okay, so you can now go to design and just change based on what you prefer. Just beautify within one click. Okay, that look better. Can change the connector. Um, so this is our flowchart, so we can export it. I go now to let's view. You can remove grid lines. You can remove margin. Okay, and symbol advanced. You can add a watermark if you wish. Do not copy. I will just remove watermark. Depends. So we can just export this. Export to PPT. No watermark. So browse. I need it in my desktop. And export. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. So this one you just need to maybe resize. Maybe you need to resize before exporting.